Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a soft glam makeup tutorial for Diwali, and this look is something which would literally go with any colored outfit that you would wear. So yeah, let's get started. Starting off my makeup by using the Colorbar primer water. This is really nice, guys. I recently started to use this, and this makes sure that you have a very glowy, dewy and hydrated base. For foundation, I'm using the Spotlight foundation by PAC, and this is actually the first time I am trying out this foundation. Now initially I felt that the foundation was like one shade lighter than my actual skin tone, but then I realized that this oxidizes, and within like a few minutes this started to settle down on my skin tone, and you guys would see that it perfectly matches my skin tone. So if you guys are willing to purchase this foundation, make sure that you choose like one shade lighter, because this does oxidize. Also, it's very full coverage. For concealer, I'm using the Spotlight concealer by PAC again, and it has this doe foot applicator which I really like. Now just like the foundation, this is also very full coverage. Also, it's kind of on the thick side, so you have to be really quick with the blending. Also, it does some sort of highlighting underneath my eyes as well, which you guys can clearly see. Now for the eyebrows, I'm actually using this shade from my L'Oreal eyeshadow palette, and I'm filling in the eyebrows and also outlining them as well, and then setting them with a spoolie. Now using the same eyeshadow palette, I'm firstly taking this burnt orange shade and placing it on the outer corners, and I loved this orange shade so much. Then taking this shimmer shade and placing it on the inner corners, and then using the matte brown shade, I'm like drawing a very soft wing on the outer corners. Then using this highlighter shade, I'm placing it in my inner corners, and using like a mix of both brown and orange on my lower lash line. Moving on to the mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal False Lash Mascara, which also has a primer in it, which I think is great. It gives those like fluttery lashes. So I'm firstly using the primer side and then using the regular black mascara side. It's blush time now, and I'm using this lip and cheek tint by Daughter Earth, and oh my goodness guys, this is such a beautiful tint, you guys can clearly see, and it just blended so seamlessly into my skin. It didn't move my foundation at all, and I absolutely loved this shade. Now for highlighter, I'm using the same eyeshadow palette, and using this particular highlighter shade, I am highlighting all the high points of my face. For lip shade, I'm using this gorgeous lipstick by L'Oreal, and now let me change my outfit and I'll be right back. So here's the final look, guys, and the beauty of this look is that it would literally go with any colored outfit that you would wear. And let me know in the comment section how did you guys like this look. Also, all the product links are mentioned in the description box, and also Amazon is running their Great Indian Festive Sale, so there are some great discounts going on their website, so make sure you check that out as well. And please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video.